Hey there, Toons. It's me, Slappy, and I have been created this awesome building I made. So this special building is called the Blizzard Wizard. So I made this one. Now, if any of you just like to hit the Blizzard Wizard, just come meet Lil Oldman, and he's ready for him. So. So, I've been really excited. So, you see this? The floor in the background, they're made of paint. And the path is made of paint. Nice brick tiles. And the buildings are made of paint. And the cardboard. And the Lil Oldman is like made of from paper. So I just glue and attach to the building. So yeah. It was so awesome. Anyways, I hope you enjoy this craft. So, I'm gonna be going now for the executives. Alright? So, if you like it, please leave a comment and subscribe to the video below. So that because Lil Oldman is going to do a VP. And he's ready for ice cream. Alright? And he's ready to feed for the talking toad. Alright, I'll see you later. And make sure you rescue me. Bye.